Hello, I will be showing you how to make these cool kickers. Now these are funny little mech legs to walk with. You only need the wrench and the screwdriver. First make a 4-block pillar, and then add wheels on the side of the top. Then add legs to the very top of the wheel, and make sure it doesn't touch the floor. You can use any type of block. Delete the top block of the pillar. I will color the legs, but I recommend to do it after it's done. Add any power source, except for a button. I recommend making the wheels invisible. Retire the switches so they connect to the wheels. Add a seat and delete the pillar. Now you can flip the switches and unicore. Sometimes it's cooler if one leg isn't timed with the other. It only works if you are sitting on it. Have fun with your cool kickers. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Join my group Bounce Bubbles.